name is Miss Alyssa, and I would like to welcome you all to April's virtual Little Wonders and Nature Detectives craft demonstration video. The theme for this month is beaming butterflies, and the craft that we are going to be making in today's video is this butterfly house. The materials that you will need to assemble your craft are going to be your numbered wooden pieces, some string, some crayons to color your house, and lastly, some glue to secure everything at the end if you would like. If at any point during the video you need to pause or rewind, you are free to do so. Additionally, adult supervision is required to assemble this craft. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to color the pieces to our DIY butterfly house. Now that we have all of our pieces colored, we are going to go ahead and assemble our house. So first we are going to take piece number 1, which is the floor, and we are going to put it down. Then we are going to take piece number 2, which is essentially the back wall of your butterfly house. And what you're going to do is you're going to take it with the tab and you are going to stick it into one of the slots of the floor. Just like that. Then you are going to take piece number 3. And you are going to take the tabs on piece number 3 and you're going to need the shorter side to connect to the back wall of your house. So I am going to put my tabs in through piece number 2, and then I'm also going to connect it to the floor by putting the bottom tab into the floor. Then we are going to take piece number 4, and we are going to do the same thing. So the shorter side is going to connect to the back wall, and we are going to also connect it to the floor by sticking it into piece number 1. Then we are going to take the front wall, which is like the entrance to the house, and we're going to connect it to pieces 3 and 4 and the floor. So I'm going to stick it into the floor just like that, and also align it with the walls, and then tuck it all in so that it's all connected. There you go. Then we are going to take some string and loop it through the holes of our roof. And we are going to tie it. Then, with the roof, we are going to place the tabs of the walls through the 4 slots of the roof, and it is all put together. And now you have your butterfly house. The last step that you can do is take some glue, and you are going to put it around all of the areas where you connected the pieces. So all the tabs and all of the slots. And once it dries, then your butterfly house will be extra secure. Give it some time to dry, and when you are all done and it is all dry and secure, you can hang it outside. Alright Alrighty everyone, that is going to wrap up this month's craft demonstration video. I hope you all enjoyed and you have fun with your butterfly house, and we hope to see you next month.